Hi guys, where to even start? There is so much to cover. I want to talk about Hyliion. I want to talk about why Hyliion is similar to Tesla. I will try to cover why there are so many disappointed from SPACs. And I hear people saying many things. You know, I hear people saying, does anyone still believe in SPACs going to do well? Hyliion and BLDR reality check. Why are SPACs taking a beating recently? Is it the Nicola Clown show making investors lose confidence? Or is it Jim Cramer talking bad about SPACs? What is it? Guys, let's be honest. Many of us refused or never understood the fundamentals of SPACs. And in this video, I want to talk about fundamentals. The result of all of this is that many people will right now treat SPAC companies like they're bad companies. So many people will buy them, then they will rate them, and then they will sell them like they are worthless stocks or maybe like penny stocks, but they are not. Everyone knows that it is the people that decides the price of the stock, right? Except they don't. The value of the company on the stock market equals the company performance, and everyone believes. And I will explain what I mean by that. I was always leaning towards value investing. If you know something about Warren Buffett, then you know what I'm talking about. I keep half of my investments in the long-term stocks, and the second half I dedicate to higher risk and reward stocks. And with that, let me remind you what the SPAC is. The SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition Company, allows us to buy a company at its IPO valuation, more precisely before the IPO. And now, this is important. The $10 stock that you're buying is the current value of the business. This is the price that the management of the SPAC, private investors, and owners of the business agreed to pay for it. This price is the result of months of negotiation. So if the price after IPO goes under $10, so people either believes that it is overvalued or they never actually understood its true value. And let's be real, it's probably the second option. And I think we are finally getting to the real problem, because most of the people do not invest in SPACs long term. Because if that would be the case, you wouldn't go on the internet and discuss about how you are losing money, because you would be happy that it's dropping so you could buy more stocks. I will tell you one reality that I always try to keep in my mind when I invest in SPACs. And let's look at the presentation of Hyliion. Imagine you are Thomas Healy and you are basically giving away your equity because you want to take your company public. Are you going to price in everything that is in presentation? For example, Hyliion will start production of ERX in 2022. As the owner of this business, will you put this fact in the value of the company? Yes, you will. Let's look at the revenue slide. If you are Thomas Healy, you are going to price in that you expect this company to have revenue 2 billion in 2024. Of course you will. So these things are already priced in. Management, investors, and owners already priced this in the future growth of the company. So any catalyst or milestone in this presentation are already in this $10 stock that we are buying. If they knew about some game changer in upcoming months, it would be in the presentation. Hyliion stock has, for upcoming few years, probably nothing to surprise investors with. So what can drive the stock go up? The only way I should expect as an investor this stock to go up is that Hyliion will execute and deliver their promise that we can read in the presentation. It is their execution that will drive the stock up. And this is something that is making me so bullish about this stock. If the price would hit $75, I would already sold out. But now I have no problem believing that they will execute their plan and they will deserve their all-time high $50 stock, and they will go even higher. By the way, subscribe to this channel if you follow Hyliion news or Tesla news, because when I post, I usually have some unique information or at least different angles. So if you like this content, hit the subscribe and like this video. Back to our content. So Hyliion is not Tesla. Okay, let's put it out there. Hyliion is definitely not a Tesla. Tesla is actually my biggest position. I'll put that on the screen. Tesla has many things, many kind of things going for her, like new models, autonomic driving, the battery day, the solar panels and giga factories, and also Elon Musk, tweeting about stuffs. So all these are catalysts, that move the stock up. Also, okay, Hyliion is not innovative the way Tesla is, but there are some similarities in a stock. Let's look at the history of the Tesla stock. Let me show you the period through which the stock was cold as a stone. This stock was cold for 8 years, like flat. Do you think that the earliest investors are the smartest here with this investment? Elon Musk said that the Tesla almost died during launching Model 3 in March 2016. Let's hear it from himself.
Tesla really faced a severe threat of death due to the Model 3 production ramp. Essentially, the company was bleeding money like crazy, and just if we didn't solve these problems in a very short period of time, we would die. And it was extremely difficult to solve them.
How close to death did you come?
Within single-digit weeks.
The smartest investors would be the ones that kept this stock in a watch list, and in 2019 they would invest when they already had products and they already proven the execution. Look at this stock like this. Would you rather invest from 2013 till 2018 and get 1000% return at the time Tesla nearly died? Or would you rather buy the company in 2019 dip and get the same 1000% results, but with the company that delivers and proves its capability to survive? I just had to wait until beliefs meet the reality. Now, let me talk about Hyliion. This company was founded in 2015 and they have 5 years product development. I mean, sure, they're not a space high-tech company, but as for now, they have product and they're actually ready to sell them. So for me, this company stands right in front of proving themselves. This company doesn't have that much upsides besides what was written in a presentation, but just delivering the promise that they give. I think, in my personal opinion, this stock can be 10x in the next 5 to 10 years. And as an investor, this is what I'm looking for. So, with Hyliion, we all went way higher with expectations than it was priced at IPO. We made $1 billion stock to move not 3 times, not 4 times, but 5 times in value in just 3 months. And everyone just got so excited that even the value investors forgot why they own the stock, and when they saw their profits disappearing, they just sold it off. Okay, so here is what I'm about to do. I'll put on screen my position, my current position with Hyliion, and I will read this from my notes. If this price goes anywhere near $24, I might buy more, because of the $50 price target is for me just the question of execution. If this goes anywhere below $20, I'll make this my biggest position in my investing account. It can take years, but anything with the target above 20% per year, that's just a home run stock. These are my thoughts on Hyliion. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my opinions, and you should make your own decisions. That's it. I have to go.